This is not a publicity interest
No, ma'am.
litigation.
This
We
is
will not entertain such a conduct.
इसमें जो अभी लिस्ट आई है ओनली 10% पर्सन इज न्यू, 90% ओल्ड.
Anyway, what is your grievance in this?
We are elected for the protecting the rights
No,
of
we are not challenging, asking your locus.
my lord.
Of course, Bar Association has a locus.
एक पोस्ट के खिलाफ 3 फॉर्म भेजे जाएंगे और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट स्क्रूटनी करेगी. वो प्रोसीजर ही अडॉप्ट नहीं किया.
That in any case, Mr. Upadhyay has raised. If your issue is that people who are not enrolled in Madhya Pradesh have been enlisted, where is that prohibition? Why not?
बट जिसने प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया, जो एमपी राज्य अधिवक्ता पर्सन में एनरोल्ड ही नहीं है, एक भी जिसका मुकदमा नहीं है एमपी हाई कोर्ट में, उसको एज ए स्ट्रेंजर यहाँ पे एजी ऑफिस में अपॉइंट कर दें एज ए गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट.
Where is the prohibition?
एमपी का एडवोकेट, इनकी नजर में एमपी का कोई एडवोकेट कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं है. बाहर से यूपी से और राजस्थान से और आंध्र प्रदेश से एडवोकेट लेके आ रहे हैं.
राज्य शासन द्वारा उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष मध्य प्रदेश शासन की ओर से पैरवी करने के लिए महाविद्यालय कार्यालय में विधि अधिकारियों की नियुक्ति बाबत विधि एवं विधायी कार्य विभाग में minimum 10 years. And second point is that last second para,
Which clause? Because it's not
पहली
like
पैरा अतिरिक्त उप महाधिवक्ता शासकीय अधिवक्ता उप शासकीय अधिवक्ता की नियुक्ति बाबत 10 वर्ष या उससे अधिक अवधि में उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष वकालत व्यवसाय अधिवक्ताओं द्वारा संलग्न प्रारूप में बायोडाटा महाधिवक्ता कार्यालय में सबमिट है. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट कंटेंशन.
Where did you get this document scanned?
Lordship, is the side of
कहाँ
the
कराई थी?
side of the government side, sir. This is there the fault of my
Scanning कहाँ कराई थी इस फाइल की?
scanning section, high court scanning section, let's high court is sir.
हाई कोर्ट स्कैनिंग सेंटर से.
Yes, let's रजिस्ट्री ने डिफॉल्ट पॉइंट आउट किया तो उसके बाद लगाया.
This is for all posts.
दिस इज फॉर ऑल पोस्ट.
No, this is अतिरिक्त
अतिरिक्त
उप महाधिवक्ता
उप महाधिवक्ता
शासकीय
शासकीय उप शासकीय अधिवक्ता ऑल पोस्ट इंक्लूड एक्सेप्ट द एडवोकेट जनरल. एडिशनल डिप्टी.
Anyone has been appointed beyond this provision?
Is there any power of relaxation?
No, there is no power of the relaxation, sir. And even though
So where is the notification that somebody has been appointed?
that is another payment. For moment, we point out the certain example, sir, for the my last consideration, sir. Page number 27, kindly we see, sir. Is the P1 का page number 27, sir. First page number 24, sir. Item number 53, कुमारी रस का enrollment number R 15/38/2021. He was enrollment. Her enrollment.
You implemented them as parties?
No, Lord, sir, because we have challenged the procedure.
Issue is
Entire
not
process.
You challenge somebody's appointment without implementing them.
We challenge the all appointment, Lord, sir. We challenge the all appointment.
You
Lord, sir.
can't challenge all appointment.
All appointment
If
because-
your Mr. Upadhyay,
Lord, sir.
if your argument is 10 years standing,
No, the other is also in there. That is the first argument. Second argument is that on the basis of same class 2 of the same notification, पेज नंबर 32, महाधिवक्ता एक शासकीय अधिवक्ता के पद के विरुद्ध 3 अधिवक्ताओं के आवेदन राज्य शासन को विधि विभाग के माध्यम से अपनी अनुशंसा से प्रेषित करेंगे.
one second. What is the clause 2?
क्लास 2 ये कहती महाधिवक्ता हर पोस्ट के खिलाफ के अगेंस्ट 3 नामों का पैनल रिकमेंडेशन के साथ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को भेजेगा. तो 3 नाम के लिए सबसे पहले राज्य से इनको पोस्ट क्वांटिफाई करना पड़ेगी कि एडवोकेट डिप्टी एडवोकेट जनरल की कितनी पोस्ट है, गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट की कितनी पोस्ट है, डिप्टी गवर्नमेंट की कितनी पोस्ट है. इन्हें पोस्ट एडवर्टाइज की ही नहीं.
Upadhyay, insofar as ineligible persons are appointed is concerned,
यस
that we can consider,
यस
but this we are not going to consider.
नहीं,
That's between the state and the appointed.
नहीं लड़ सकते.
कि आपने 3 नाम भेजने थे, 3 नाम करने थे, they have appointed their prerogative.
नहीं लड़ सकते. for that movement लड़ सकते. We draw the attention of the honorable apex court लड़ सकते. Judgment of the honorable apex court लड़ सकते. Because the other states there is a specific procedure. They have advertised the post and all is done in accordance with the rules लड़ सकते.
Then you plead everybody as a party. You plead everybody.
Everybody is already there लड़ सकते.
You are challenging their appointment?
They are already there लड़ सकते.
No, they are not there.
Yes,
All
because
कितने हैं annexure P1 में?
people total 120.
You plead all of them. If you are challenging everybody's appointment, you plead all of them.
Want to challenge the complete procedure, then
All of them, they are been appointed, nominated, appointed.
Yes.
So you plead everybody. And secondly, you don't want to participate in this. You are neither an applicant,
No, he is not.
then why should we entertain a petition on
As,
your
as a public interest litigation, as a public interest litigation, as a public interest litigation, or public for the movement.
सर्विस मैटर्स
लोग
was it even mentioned?
ये सर्विस मैटर कह रहे हैं तो फिर सिविल सर्विस रूल्स लागू हो जाएंगे। अभी अपने अपने स्टैंड को चेंज कर रहे हैं। अगर ये आप कह रहे हैं कि सिविल सर्वेंट है, देन दे मस्ट बी फॉलो द एमपी सिविल सर्विस रूल्स आल्सो। दे अपने आप को अगर एम्प्लॉय मान रहे हैं तो हम तो इनको ऑफिसर मानते हैं। अगर ये अपन को एम्प्लॉय मानते हैं तब तो फिर
This issue has already been dealt with by this honorable court, Lord. This issue has already been dealt with.
What is that, Gwalior? So implead them, whoever you are challenging, implead
it
them.
may be taken a pass over round lot. अभी immediately file the application लड़ सब with the permission of the court.
Application के आप oral prayer पे करते हैं, सबको implead करो.
Yes, sir. I am ready to implead all lords.
And what about the ones who've been appointed for pursuing matters in Supreme Court, Delhi?
Delhi, who is also not having a 7-year practice, sir.
That is, they are not practicing here, they are appearing before the Supreme Court and the forums there, representing the state in those organizations.
That's
So, you can't serve them through the Advocate General of the state.
through the advocate, because they have appointed the state Advocate General of the state, and there is the office of the Delhi is also there, sir. Office of the Advocate General Madhya Pradesh is also in there in the Delhi, sir.
The division bench judgment?
My lord, whether the appointment of the law officers, my lord, whether it is service or profession, my lord, that aspect has been dealt with.
No,
in
even if
para-
it is profession, if it's an appointment subject pursuant to a notice, then how do you appoint contrary to the notice conditions?
My lord,
Supreme Court is considering the reservation of women in the appointments of the law officers. Supreme Court is considering that aspect.
So that aspect has also been considered.
Supreme Court is
Approximately
considering
22.
that. Then if it's only a service matter, then how it can be considered?
But
Supreme Court is also considering.
this aspect has also
Only one issue is important, that if someone has been appointed who is not eligible, then that can be considered.
for quo warranto, my lord, if the petition is there, my lord, only quo warranto, my lord, then they have to demonstrate that it is a public office. Because, and there are statutory rules, because the quo warranto can be issued only if there is a breach to a recruitment.
It's a public office.
Let's-
They are public servant under the provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act, covered under the definition of public servant.
So that is with regard to those people, those persons only, Lord, where
And
such
they are
notifications have been
appointed
issued.
under the provisions of all the acts and statutes.
As of now, Lord, that notification with regard to public prosecutor is not issued. That will be issued very soon, Lord. And Lord, that part will be taken care of as to the age aspect will be taken care of, and the experience aspect.
Separate notification will be issued for that.
Yes, that is always done. That will come very soon, Lord.
Let's connect P5, page number 39. The Honorable Appeals Court already been replied that said issue, Lord. My friend is arguing, Lord. We filed the judgment of
We are
the
aware of all this
Also.
judgment, single bench of Indore, everything. I am
नहीं, मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट बता रहा हूँ सर, ये पेज नंबर 39 पे सर।
myself appeared in that case in behalf of respondent number 3.
Yes. मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ सर, पेज नंबर 39 पे।
Now, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks leave to implead the affected respondent. Leave is granted. Affected parties. Leave is granted. Let amended memo of parties be filed within 1 week. On petitioner filing amended memo of parties, notice that's a issue notice. Notice accepted by learned counsel appearing for respondent 1 and 2. On petitioner filing amended memo of parties, notice shall issue to the respondents. Returnable week commencing 2nd February.
Last my interim leave also pressing the
They
interim.
can't be anything.
Last my interim leave is limited, Lord sir. My interim leave is limited, Lord. What happened in this case, Lord
You
sir?
are not interested in becoming an advocate for the state.
नहीं
Go
नहीं
interim relief.
नहीं, उसके सब इंटरम लीग की प्रेयर सुनिए, मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ। इसमें जो अभी लिस्ट आई है, ओनली 10% पर्सन इज न्यू, 90% ओल्ड। तो माई concern is that 10% which has been included newly, that part is still us. That is my sum, because they are not.
90% कर सकते हैं, 10%
नहीं सर, ये तो क्योंकि अभी आए हैं सर, इस रिक्रूटमेंट से आए, क्योंकि वो पुराने में तो रिक्रूटमेंट था नहीं सर। ये विज्ञापन नहीं था, पहली बार इन्होंने विज्ञापन निकाला है सर।
no interim. not granting.
Our intervention application is already
Lord,
there.
On behalf of,
number
On
two
behalf of the MP
nomenclature
High Court
they
Bar
may-
Association.
sorry,
nomenclature on number 2 may kindly amend.
ऊपर पे लिखना, learned counsel for the appellant, for the petitioner seeks leave to amend the memo of parties so as to correct the nomenclature of respondent number 2 and also to implead the affected parties.
Lord, let them file an application and then notice may be issued to respond number 2.
No, oral allows.
Where we are allowing the amendment,
Allow.
it says Advocate General State of MP, Advocate General Office, it's already there. This
No,
intervention
notice
is on,
through Advocate General, notice we serve to Dasti of 3 of them.
that you file your memo of parties, why should the Advocate General, they are personally affected.
Yes, yes.
All of them are personally affected.
They'll have to at least extend that courtesy, not
So
implead
they will have to be served individually.
हमदस्त का करते हम यहाँ हर कोर्ट में सब
Hamdast in addition,
लेट्स इन एडिशन टू हमदस्त लेट्स
Hamdast in addition.
Yes.
Your application is on behalf of,
MP High Court Bar Association.
No, no, Lord, the application is on behalf of Mr. D.K. Jain.
through-
Nomenclature does not say
Through
that.
DK Jain by MP High Court Bar Association.
No, your lordship will
Through
see,
DK
Lord,
Jain
it's very apparent from the heading of the.
DK Jain,
DK Jain. Intervener is Mr. DK Jain.
Mr. DK Jain, not the bar association.
Just for the bar.
And what is your in grievance in this?
President MP High Court Bar Association. वकालतनामा भी थ्रू प्रेसिडेंट हाई कोर्ट
Application through नहीं है. Application must be in MP High Court Bar Association through President
President DK Jain.
DK Jain.
Anyway, what is your grievance in this?
वी आर इलेक्टेड फॉर द protecting the rights
No,
of
we are not asking your locus.
my lord.
Of course, Bar Association has a locus.
मालूम.
इसमें इस issue के अलावा क्या issue आप raise कर रहे हैं? Because he already raised it.
Some persons from the outside of MP, they have not practicing in MP.
Does the notification say that only MP registered advocates will be there? Then?
No.
कौन सा clause है notification का?
नहीं एमपी का तो नहीं है उसमें उसमें नहीं है सर P3 है सर उसमें ऐसा
The
नहीं
27th February 2013, does it restrict it to MP enrolled?
But they called the certificate from the our office as a practicing advocate.
That's all right.
But
Somebody who's
but-
not enrolled
but
with you,
who persons appointed from the outside of the MP, they have not
Somebody-
obtained the certificate from our office.
you see, somebody who's not registered with you, you can't give a certificate for him. They will see whether that person is eligible, not eligible. वो कहीं और चलाएंगे जहाँ से ला सकते हैं सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ
वो
प्रैक्टिस.
तो फार्म का कोई स्क्रूटनी ही नहीं किया इन्होंने. जो उसमें क्लॉज है कि हर एक फार्म
your
एक पोस्ट के खिलाफ 3 फार्म भेजे जाएंगे और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट स्क्रूटनी करेगी. वो
in any
प्रोसीजर ही
case-
अडॉप्ट नहीं किया.
that in any case, Mr. Upadhyay is raised. For your issue is that people who are not enrolled in Madhya Pradesh have been enlisted. Where is that prohibition? Where is that prohibition?
Provision is not there, my lord, but the right of advocates belongs to the MP. Is affected
Not
if
affected.
the outsider is appointed from the AG, MP AG office.
That is no ground. That means no lawyer can appear outside state of Madhya Pradesh, from outside the state of Madhya
They
Pradesh.
can appear,
Why not?
but जिसने प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया, जो MP राज्य अधिवक्ता पर्सन में एनरोल्ड ही नहीं है, एक भी जिसका मुकदमा नहीं है MP हाई कोर्ट में,
क्या
उसको एज ए स्ट्रेंजर यहाँ पे AG ऑफिस में अपॉइंट
what
कर
is the
ले
prohibition?
एज ए गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट.
Where is the prohibition?
तो प्रोविजन तो उनको खुद करना चाहिए सर.
Prohibition कहाँ है? मॉरली नहीं
तो
करना
AG
चाहिए
ऑफिस
बात
को
तो-
मॉरली नहीं करना चाहिए. उनको देखना चाहिए कि MP का एडवोकेट, इनकी नजर में MP का कोई एडवोकेट कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं है. बाहर से यूपी से और राजस्थान से और आंध्र प्रदेश से एडवोकेट लेके आ रहे हैं.
त्रिवेदी, कितने जने अपॉइंट हुए?
कम
इस
से कम
पूरी लिस्ट में कितने हैं?
कम से कम 10 लोग होंगे.
पूरी
15 लोग,
लिस्ट पूरी लिस्ट कितनों की है?
100 लोगों की, तो 15 लोगों का तो मध्य
100
प्रदेश से
people,
So more than that. 156.
200.
156
कौन है बताइए इसमें?
50 से अरे 53 नंबर पे आइटम नंबर 53 पे राजस्थान से आइटम नंबर पेज नंबर 24 आइटम नंबर 53
53.
यस इज राजस्थान.
So
ये 53 पे रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर लगा एनरोलमेंट नंबर R15.
Section 30 Advocates Act entitle them to appear across the country.
यस
कहीं पे भी पेश हो सकते हैं.
अपीयर हो सकते हैं पर अपॉइंट नहीं हो सकते सर.
क्यों नहीं हो सकते? Where is the prohibition? Where is the prohibition?
अब वो एक तरीके से तो पॉलिटिकल पोस्ट है, तो उनको अपनी पार्टी को, तो पार्टी के लोगों को तो रखना चाहिए.
Mr. Trivedi, it's not a political.
वो है सर, पॉलिटिकल है सर. जो सरकार आती है उन्हीं के गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट रहते हैं, तो कम से कम वो अपनी पार्टी का ध्यान रखें, संघ का ध्यान रखें, आनुषंगिक संगठनों का ध्यान रखें,
Expected to make
उनका तो ध्यान रखें।
responsible
They have to protect the interest of their client.
सर एक लड़की सिर्फ चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब के परिवार में एंगेजमेंट
Mr. Jain, you see, insofar as age qualification is concerned, that issue is already under consideration. People, because he's pointed out the advertisement saying कि 10 साल की standing होनी चाहिए, वो हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, उसी बात पे नोटिस की। आप कह रहे हैं कि मध्य प्रदेश के बाहर के एनरोल्ड एडवोकेट्स को यहाँ पे इन्होंने अपॉइंट किया, वो प्रोहिबिशन दिखाइए प्रोहिबिशन, विल एंटरटेन।
मॉरल प्रोविजन इज देयर।
मॉरल ग्राउंड पे थोड़ी पिटीशन चलती है।
तो पर सर एजी ऑफिस से इनको ऐसी लिस्ट भी दिल्ली और राजस्थान में भेजना चाहिए कि हमारे इधर के भी कुछ एडवोकेट राजस्थान और दिल्ली में एजी ऑफिस में अपॉइंट कर लें। इनको महाधिवक्ता साहब को लिस्ट भेजना चाहिए यहाँ से स्क्रूटनी करके।
जब हमने वकालत शुरू करी थी तो मध्य प्रदेश के बहुत वकील दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पेश होते थे और बहुत काबिल थे। वी यूज्ड टू एंगेज देम कि प्लीज कम एंड हेल्प अस।
सर एपीआर होना अलग बात है, पर कोई दिल्ली एजी ऑफिस में अपॉइंट नहीं हुआ होगा एमपी का, जो वहां पे प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया और एजी ऑफिस में।
एजी ऑफिस में हुए, क्यों नहीं हुए? सुप्रीम कोर्ट में होते हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पेश होने के लिए क्यों ना वहां से कोई वकील?
वो एमपी बिलोंग करते हैं सर,
नॉट
जो एमपी बिलोंग करते हैं।
एडवोकेट साइट परमिट्स लॉयर्स टू अपीयर ऑल अक्रॉस द कंट्री।
सर आप ठीक है बाहर का छोड़िए, ये मालिक तो नहीं है ना सरकार, हमारी बाहर के मेंबरों ने जो भी अप्लाई किया है उसको निष्पक्षता के साथ क्यों नहीं अपॉइंट करते?
जिसकी अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं हुई, लेट हिम फाइल अ पिटीशन। उसको आने दीजिए कि मेरी आई एम मोर क्वालिफाइड, मेरे को अपॉइंट नहीं किया, अपने आप जवाब
उसको फिर 25 साल अपॉइंट नहीं करेंगे सर, उसको ब्लैक लिस्ट कर देंगे, उसको ब्लैक लिस्ट कर देंगे, उसको पार्टी से बाहर कर देंगे।
तो फिर पीआई नाम बताइए किस किस के आपके ये हमारे ये 50 अच्छे क्वालिफाइड थे, इन्होंने नहीं किया, इन्होंने किसी उसको किया। इट्स अ लॉयर क्लाइंट रिलेशनशिप।
कुछ लोगों इनने सर
सिर्फ एक जजमेंट मैंने रेफरेंस में लोड किया है, पैरा 92 आप उसका देख लें तो उससे पूरी पिक्चर क्लियर हो जाएगी इसमें क्या है, ऑनरेबल अपेक्स कोर्ट की मंशा क्या है सर। इसमें पैरा 92 जजमेंट है सर, ये जस्टिस ऑनरेबल जस्टिस
वेरी स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जर्वेशन इज देयर मानो
द सच सर, ये मतलब दिस जजमेंट इज शुरू से पढ़ देगा 92 से सर। सच ए स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर इन द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ the country, this is bound to happen when the state government across the country appoint a AGP and AAP in their respective high courts solely on political consideration, favorism and nepotism on an additional factor of the compromising measures. Sir, this judgment is a message of the all state government.
Mr. Upadhyay,
Yes.
somebody has to come forward and say so. आपने जो पॉइंट रेस किया क्वालिफिकेशन का, we should notice.
Yes, sir. That
On
part.
this, where is the pleading and where are the instances? Nothing.
For the honorable appeals court, for the some guidelines should have been formulated. Sir. Number of the cases, state of Punjab cases already 2014. That judgment already be annexed. So honorable court is always be held that the all state government requested to formulate a certain criteria for the appointment of the law officer. That has not been followed. That judgment is pronounced in 2014. And that judgment specifically direction by all the states should have been formulated certain criteria, certain guideline. So one peon's appointment is advertisement there. There is a criteria for appointment and everything.
In your matter, notice has been issued. Mr. Trivedi has to satisfy us that notice is warranted in the application. Any other ground, Mr. Trivedi?
सर हमारी एप्लीकेशन पेंडिंग रहने दें, नेक्स्ट डेट में हम सेटिस्फाई कर देंगे एप्लीकेशन पेंडिंग।
सर वो ऑर्डर में थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन कर दें, सिर्फ जो एग्री 10 साल से कम के हैं उनको हम पार्टी बना लें, तो 10 साल से कम के
Restricting your challenge.
यस राइट 10 साल से कम।
इसमें करना फिर ऊपर शुरू में लिखना लॉयर काउंसिल फॉर द petitioner submits that petitioner is restricting the challenge to appointment of those advocates who do not have the necessary qualification as specified in Gazette notification dated 28/2/2013
एंड प्रोसीजर आल्सो
प्रोसीजर है तो फिर सबको करना पड़ेगा। प्रोसीजर है तो सब आएंगे।
Because my lord, in the absence of any guideline, my lord, how can they make the appointment to law officers, my lord?
Mr. Soni,
Sir.
प्रोसीजर है तो सबको बनाइए।
Yes, my lord. My lord, because my lord, the whole procedure was a sham, my lord.
Soni,
It lacks transparency, my lord.
Don't get agitated first and foremost.
My apology, my lord.
This is not a publicity interest
No, my lord.
litigation.
This
We
is
will not entertain such a conduct.
My apology, my lord.
We have permitted you to implead everybody if you are challenging the procedure. Implead them, serve them. If you are restricting it to 10 years, implead only those people. You can't say I will implead only those 10 years, but I'll challenge the whole everybody's appointment. If you want to challenge everybody's appointment, implead everybody. Take a call.
So it is possible through Advocate General Office, my lord, then it is possible.
They are personally affected.
Dusty,
Dusty addition.
Said up in addition.
Sir, sir,
Addition Dusty. That's the mind hat. Can we give the any date? Fixed date.
Mr. Rupra will allow the intervention also. They'll also have an edit say, that's all.
But they may correct the nomenclature at least.
No,
No,
nominally
no,
they will
वो तो
correct.
allow हो गया.
Intervention.
वो तो
Bar
allow.
association wants to intervene, will permit the bar association to intervene. On the intervention application, say, learned counsel appearing for the learned additional advocate general appearing for the state submits that without prejudice to their rights and contentions, they have no objection to the bar association also intervening in the petition. Or in view of the above, the intervention application is allowed. The bar association is impleted. High Court, Madhya Pradesh High Court Bar Association. What is it, Jabalpur? What is it?
MP High Court Bar
MP
Association,
High Court
Jabalpur.
Bar Association, Jabalpur, is impleted as a respondent. Then amended memo of parties be filed by the petitioner within 1 week.
They may
Fixed date दे देना.
correct their intervention application at least where they
We've impleted because in the heading they say
Yes.
Mr. Jain, in the prayer they say Bar Association.
yes, yes.
That's why we allowed the Bar
आप तो रिप्लाई देने के पहले अपनी लिस्ट करेक्ट कर दो तो पिटीशन विड्रॉ हो जाएगी.
Yes, तो पाते हैं.
So any fixed date, that's otherwise that's
हमने डेट कौन सी दी थी? Week commencing 2nd February.
okay.